How to fix Telegram unable to play video issue. So if you want to fix Telegram unable to play video issue, then first what you need to do is just check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your Telegram application. Now, once you open up your Telegram, what you need to do is just go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon, and tap on settings. Now, under settings, you need to scroll down and go with data and storage, and make sure the option of automatic media download and the three options which is below the automatic media download, you need to simply toggle it on. Once you toggle that on, scroll down and go with stream videos and audio files. You just need to simply toggle it on also. Now once you ensure that all of these are toggled on, you just need to simply go back and you can try playing your video and it will fix. So that's how you can fix your Telegram unable to play video issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.